You were taught to trust no one, to build walls, stay guarded. But Queen Elizabeth knew that's how power dies. History shows us a hard truth. Isolation kills influence. In this video, I want to show you why. Through one queen's reign, one criminal mastermind, and one principle that could change the way you build relationships forever. When threatened, most of us hide. We shut people out. We build walls. But power doesn't live behind walls. It moves through networks. Queen Elizabeth ruled England for 44 years, during assassinations, invasions, and betrayals. Her secret? Stay visible, connected, curious. She walked among her people. She listened to enemies. She learned. Today, leaders who isolate, who only hear what they want to hear, go blind. They lose perspective. Then they lose power. Visibility is security, not solitude. There's a reason The Godfather is more than just a movie. It is a lesson in strategic generosity. Don Vito Corleone knew, if you want loyalty, don't demand it, create it. A favor offered, a moment of vulnerability, a truth shared at just the right time. These are not tricks. They are how trust is built in the real world. And once trust exists, influence flows like water. Ask yourself, are you trying to overpower people? Or are you opening a door they want to walk through? Power isn't what you say about yourself. It is what others say when you are not in the room. Luis Gama, born slave, low formal education, became one of Brazil's most feared and respected lawyers, not by fighting louder, but by building a reputation so unshakable that even his enemies respected him. He didn't chase approval, he crafted consistency. In today's world, your name is your brand. Reputation precedes you, and once it is stained, no defense can save you. Build it with intention. Guard it like it's your only armor, because in the game of power, it is. Real influence doesn't come from pretending to be strong. It comes from understanding how people think and how trust moves through relationships. The powerful are not distant. They are deliberate. They know when to give, when to connect, when to show, and when to hold back. That's the art. That's the power. Influence doesn't wait. Neither should you. Subscribe now and build the kind of power that connects, not isolates. And if you want to dive deeper, get Power Simplified now. Check the free preview in the link below. Which of these three laws, visibility, selective trust, or reputation, do you want to master most right now? Share in the comments.